Since I've stopped, I have to check your license.
No, you don't. Do you suspect me of a crime?
Well,
okay.
I don't know who you are. It would be fantastic if you would lose the attitude, ma'am. First thing you said when I saw you was, I don't want to deal with this right now.
Because I don't. I'm sick of having to deal with this.
Well, ma'am, I don't know who you are.
Hey, I apologize for saying that.
So if you want to get an attitude, we can have a problem. But talking to someone disrespectfully when they're trying to be nice and do their job is not okay. If I want to get your ID because I'm checking who you are, ma'am, yes I can.
No, you can't. I can speak to you however I want. There's freedom of speech.
And so can I do. So can I.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Moody Yakker. Be sure to check out her channel and let her know I sent you. Before we continue, I'd like to welcome our first partner. Today's video is sponsored by the Ridge Wallet, a thin minimalist wallet that holds up to 12 cards and still has room for cash using a money clip or cash strap. I've been sent many other wallets to consider for sponsorship, but the gimmicky features quickly fail. The Ridge Wallet is manufactured using durable materials, and with their lifetime warranty, it will quickly replace your everyday carry. Plus, if you don't feel the same as me, return it within 45 days for a full refund. They offer 30 different colors and designs, and features RFID blocking technology that protects against digital pickpocketers. Using my link and coupon code before September 18th not only will get you 10% off, but every dollar spent on the website is an entry to win a 2020 off-road optimized convertible Jeep Gladiator, or 50 grand if you prefer cash. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment to further help support the channel and keep your money secure. Moody is employed by a company that cleans medical facilities overnight while the offices are closed. The following is similar to what she deals with regularly. On a recent shift, she arrived at the office at around 11:20 p.m. The place was closed and the lot empty, and standard practice is to park nearest the entrance to allow her to transport tools inside and trash out. Just after her arrival, an unusual vehicle parks near her and aims its lights at Moody. Frightened, she pulls out her phone and begins to record. To her dismay, she was finally able to see that the man in the unmarked vehicle that had been watching her for over a minute appeared to be an officer of the Lynn Police Department. This would now be the fourth interaction with the department concerning her employment.
Hi.
We just parked and we just wanted to make sure.
Okay, this is a private driveway, and I'm here to work.
Okay.
So, that's all.
11:24 at night, so we're just checking.
Okay. Janitorial. Janitorial. Here to clean. I've gone through this multiple times now with you guys.
Okay.
That's all.
I've never seen you here.
Okay. Well, I'm here 3 times a week.
That's fantastic. Good for you.
Okay.
And I'm doing my job as well.
Okay.
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 So, since I've stopped, I have to check your license.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Ma'am.
No, you definitely don't. Do you suspect me of a crime?
Well,
okay.
I don't know who you are.
Okay, that doesn't mean anything. Do you suspect me of a crime?
I'm private property right now, and just because you're wearing a shirt that's janitorial.
On private property working, you don't have to check my ID.
Ma'am, here's the thing, okay? You are on private property. Okay, we've already established that, okay? Anybody can wear a shirt that says janitorial.
I have the keys to the f***ing building.
At this point, the interaction should have been ended with a tip of the hat and a have a good night, but the officer is fiending to see Moody's identification, as if it would tell him where she works and what property she is contracted to service. His argument that anyone can wear a janitor's shirt holds some weight. However, if we reverse that thought process, anyone can buy a cheap polo and khakis and impersonate an officer. Recognizing that, and the fact that this man is in an unmarked vehicle, Moody is wise to be cautious of what information she surrenders, especially considering that she currently has no legal responsibility to identify to an officer at this time. But instead of leaving Moody to finish her job, the officer continues to accost her.
Okay? There's no reason to have an attitude.
I am sick of you guys harassing me.
I've never seen you here.
Okay.
Have I? Have you ever met me?
No,
Okay.
that doesn't mean anything. I'm here for work.
That's fantastic. But I still have to do my job.
Okay, and your
job.
your job is to come check and see if I'm here, why I'm here.
Yeah.
I told you why I'm here.
That's great.
So now you can go about your way.
It would be fantastic if you would lose the attitude, ma'am.
I don't have an attitude. All I
You
did
have
was
a massive attitude.
okay.
The first thing
Is
you
it
said
the
when I saw you was, I don't want to deal with this right now.
Because I don't. I'm sick of having to deal with this.
Well, ma'am, I don't know who you are.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I apologize for saying that.
So if you want to get an attitude, we can have a problem. But I don't want that. Okay?
Okay, this is all on camera.
You can have that on camera all you want. Okay? But talking to someone disrespectfully when they're trying to be nice and do their job is not okay.
I'm trying to do the same thing.
That's fantastic, but you decided you wanted to be disrespectful. You record all you want. I don't care. So
You're not getting my ID. There's no reason to get my ID.
If I want to get your ID because I'm checking who you are, then yes, I can.
No, you can't.
The officer doesn't seem to understand that here, he is the problem. Moody has every right to be disagreeable and to redress her grievances with this state employee. The officer's threat to create a problem because Moody was Moody appears to be an ego-driven abuse of power. Again, the officer has no reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime and has no authority whatsoever to check her ID.
You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion.
Okay.
Of a crime. What is your suspicion of a crime? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's not. Okay?
Yes, it is.
You're on private property. I don't know who you are. Is that correct?
And I have told you who I...
You haven't told me who you are.
I don't need to give you my name.
Okay. But I don't know that you're actually working here. Now, do I?
I have the keys right here.
That's fantastic.
I'm wearing a janitorial shirt.
Anybody can wear a janitorial shirt. I can go buy one right now.
Okay.
Okay? Everything would have been fine if you hadn't got an attitude. Okay? Everything would have been hunky-dory.
Okay.
Okay? So, next time, if you are working, fine. How about you pull into a spot?
Because this is a private freaking driveway.
Doesn't matter, man. Do you know how many people
It's
pull in
not
here
a
all the
through
time?
street. There's literally a sign right there that says not a through street.
I understand that. I get calls all the time to come here because people have parked here in the middle of the night. It's 11:30 at night. I
Okay,
didn't
and
know
I'm
who you
here to
were.
work. I've got the keys. I've literally showed
That's
you.
fantastic.
Got the keys right here. I can go open the door to go in.
That's great.
To go do my job.
And I'm happy for you, okay? What I'm asking is when we stop to do a public service to make sure that you're not just some random person here getting ready to try to break into a fucking physician's office, that you're just as courteous as we try to be.
Okay, and I told you why I'm
weren't.
here.
So
I told you why I'm
next
here.
time be courteous and you won't get an ass chewing.
Okay, just so you know, I can speak to you however I want. There's freedom
And
of speech.
so can I do. So can I.
But you have to be professional. It's your job. You're representing our town right now.
You're representing your business right now, aren't
Okay.
you?
Sure.
Okay. So when I come up and I just start trying to talk to you because I don't know who you are and I've never met you, and you've already confirmed you've never met me, correct?
No.
Okay.
Doesn't
So
mean
why
you can
would you
act
be
like a
rude?
tyrant.
I'm not acting like a tyrant. I'm trying to make
Demanding
sure-
my ID.
Because
I don't have
know
to give
who
you my
are.
ID. I don't have to give you my ID.
That's great. Okay. Now that I know that you work for the janitorial, that's fine. You can be here, whatever. But there's no reason to be rude from the moment that you get out of your truck. There's no reason for it.
Okay.
So next time, be nice. I'll be nice too.
Okay, well, you sat there with your light on me for a couple minutes first.
It was not for a couple minutes.
Okay, for a minute. For a minute.
Because I was calling into my dispatch.
Okay.
Okay? So again, drop the attitude when you're dealing with a public servant, man. All I'm trying to do is my job.
Well, then don't come up demanding for ID and shit.
Then don't act like an ass.
I can act however I want.
And so can I.
Freedom of speech.
You do have that freedom. You absolutely do. But you also do have the freedom to just not be a jerk.
Okay.
So next time, be nice. I'll be nice too.
Well, next time you see my vehicle here, you know I work here.
And I still have to do my rounds, ma'am.
Okay?
I was coming here to do a damn building check.
That's fine.
So just please try not to be rude to people.
You could do the same thing.
I wasn't rude until you were, ma'am.
Okay.
So have a nice night.
You too. Oh, what is your badge number?
706.
706 and
Yep.
your name?
Officer Cade. You can talk to the
All
Chief
right.
Bickle tomorrow if you want to.
Oh, I definitely will.
Absolutely can.
I am so sick of this.
Moody making a comment that displeased Officer Cade does not give him the authority to identify and accost her. The next morning, the department's chief of police went to the facility Moody was cleaning and complained about her attitude to the staff. Since then, Moody has filed FOIA requests for all records pertaining to the incident and has filed formal complaints on both officers. Let me know in the comments what you think and how this interaction should be handled. Does it seem as though Officer Kate has had much de-escalation training? Was it appropriate for the chief to meddle with her employment? Don't forget to check out Moody's channel linked below and let her know that I sent you.
You can leave now. Breaking into the physician's office, whatever. Oh, look at that. He's in an unmarked vehicle. Completely unmarked. Not a single bit of marking. I thought they had to have marked vehicles at night to pull over. See, it says 002. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.